Sawasdee krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Welcome to our brand new channel, Tied Together.
where we document what it's really like to live and travel in Thailand.
If you haven't done so already, please hit subscribe down in the corner. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and please leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought.
In today's video, we're going outside of Bangkok.
Yeah, so we're going on holiday. We thought we could take you with us for our first series of videos, and we're off to Pattaya, my most favourite place in Thailand. But before we get there, we're going to hit up my favourite restaurant in Thailand.
Yeah, let's go.
This restaurant does the spiciest food I've ever had. We're in now, all settled. Our food order's gone in at the...
Loong Riang Pamalee restaurant.
That's the name of the restaurant.
The menu is all in Thai, so if you guys ever want to come here, you either need to come with a Thai or you can ask for a recommended dish. We're going to put the dish we eat today in our description below, so you can just show them that.
If you like beef and you like spicy food, get what I have got. What have I got?
Pat nua.
It is the most favourite thing I've eaten in Thailand. The dishes here range from around about 80 baht all the way up to 250 baht, but the 250 baht is, there's only two dishes that are 250 baht and they're both fish dish, aren't they? So they're more of a speciality. The dish I have ordered is 120 baht. Whilst we wait for our food, a little antidote for you. I saw the Thaiest thing ever the first time I come to this restaurant, didn't I?
Yeah.
What it was, some kid pulled up driving a moped, could not have been any older than 9 or 10. And he came up and he went straight up to the counter. I thought these guys are going to have a go at him for driving the moped, but that didn't happen at all. Instead, they spoke to him, gave him some money, and then I thought that was weird. About 20 minutes later, when we were eating our food, he comes back and in his hand he had herbs, spices, chicken. They'd obviously sent him out to the cash and carry to go and get their food for him. I thought it was absolutely crazy.
Yeah, it's quite normal in Thailand for kids that age to help, although they're not legal to drive, but what stopped them?
Here is all the tasty treats. How is it?
Good, spicy.
Worth the wait?
Yeah. Is it good?
So good for me. It's like a party of flavours going on in my mouth. So many herbs and spices. Absolutely delicious. How's the food, Nat? What is it you're eating?
Called Gai Gala. It's very popular. I'm crying. Oh, it's almost there. Look, he's almost finished his plate. But how are you at the minute, Paul? He's tearing up.
When I talk, my tongue gets spicy.
Go Paul, go Paul, go Paul. Will he finish the dish?
It should be a food challenge, by far the hottest dish I've had in Thailand.
Anyone who likes spicy food, come and try for yourself.
Scrap my previous statement. That's not the hottest thing I've had in Thailand, that is the hottest thing I've ever had. Seriously, that is hotter than the sun. I'll level with you guys. I can take my spice. I eat Naga Indian curry. I take 5+ chilies in my papaya salad. But I can't say I'd recommend that. That was the hottest thing I've ever ate. My insides are on fire, they feel absolutely liquefied. But pro tip, I want you to take away, if you try that and you want to know what it's like, before we set off, just went to the toilet, sit down when you have a wee. I also have another problem. You guys know what I'm on about. It stings. We just pulled up to the hotel, not before time. How is your mouth?
It's not too bad actually.
The reason I say not before time is I need to, hopefully we get checked in nice and quickly and I need to make a splash dash, shall we, pull it to the toilet. Well, if you like this video and you want to see more from us and our trip to Pattaya, please hit the subscribe button over in the corner. Please like the video and also leave us a comment. And we hope to see you in our next video very soon.